Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 165 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing any buttons. Once you wake up the screen, open the menu by pressing and holding the up button. Once you open the menu, scroll through it by swiping on the screen and find the option called Activities and Apps. Tap on it, and here find the icon of the app you want to remove from your watch. For example, I want to remove this calendar app. To do it, I'm gonna press the up button or tap on the app to enter this menu, and here we can scroll down, find the option called Delete from the device, tap on it, then tap on the check mark or press the start button to confirm, and the app will be removed from our watch. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also do it through the phone application. So we can move our watch here, bring our phone, of course the phone that is paired with our watch. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, if you want to manage any applications or watch faces, I recommend to install the Connect IQ application because it makes stuff a lot of easier. So once you have the Connect IQ application on the phone that is paired with your watch, you can open it. Actually, let me reopen it. So let's close this, open the app. And once you open the app, you will see the IQ store. And let's wait until it's done loading. Come on. Okay. And once the app loads, you will see categories right here. And we want to tap on My Device, tap on My Device Apps. And here we have the list of applications installed on our watch. And if you want to remove the app, tap on it, tap on Uninstall, and tap on Uninstall. And it's gonna be removed from your watch. Okay, and that's how you uninstall applications from this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.